Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Gemini to Cash App, full guide step by step clearly. To connect Gemini to Cash App, start by opening the Cash App on your device. Log into your Cash App account using your credentials. Next, tap on the banking. From the banking screen, select the option to add funds. Now, choose the option for Bitcoin transactions. You will now be prompted to link a wallet. Select Connect a Wallet to proceed. In the list of wallet options, look for and select Gemini. You will be redirected to the Gemini login page. Log into your Gemini account with your email and password. Once logged in, authorize Cash App to access your Gemini account. After authorizing, you'll return to the Cash App interface. Here, you can manage your Bitcoin balance and transactions more easily. Confirm any necessary settings to finalize the connection. You are now set to transfer funds between Gemini and Cash App seamlessly. Check that the connection is functioning correctly by performing a small transaction. Once verified, you can start using Gemini through Cash App to manage your cryptocurrency. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.